Welcome to the Florida Keys in Key West.
Let's get together and be alright.
Alright, so we are currently driving out of the Keys. We're still in Key West, I think. And we just came for a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday trip because I just got down here really early on Friday morning. But yeah, the first couple hours we were really crabby just because we hadn't slept. We've been stuck in a car. We hadn't ate. Like we were just really low. Once we were on the boat, on the water taxi on our way out, we weren't tired anymore.
You know, I'd say once we got onto the boat, I think we were just so excited to finally be actually on the boat that really we weren't even tired anymore. We were just so happy to be out there finally.
We watched the sunset, which was really nice. The sunsets out on the ocean, in the harbor that we were in, were just absolutely amazing. So we got up and did we get in the water?
Yeah.
Goated. Later in the day, so we had like snorkeled, hung out, whatever. We went inside to take a nap and like eat lunch, I think.
Yeah.
And we were like, let's go back out. We want to snorkel again, whatever. And we go out, and there's a pod of 5 dolphins, literally 3 or 4 feet off the boat. And throughout the day, we saw a sea turtle. Tyler thinks he saw a shark.
I did.
And our taxi driver, Joe, said that they actually see bullfish and...
Bull sharks.
Bullfish. Bull sharks.
Bull sharks.
Bull sharks and...
That recently...
nurse sharks.
The whales.
And recently they have seen whale breachings in the harbor, which is just absolutely amazing. So we were just so fortunate to stay on the boat. Alessandra was a great host. We absolutely loved it. We're hoping we can go back sometime. You can't ask for a better experience on a boat, I don't think. Like,
it was pretty dang good.
if you are looking for a good adventure, man, you're not gonna get. It's not gonna get much better. Key West, you were great to us. We'll be back. And any closing words?
I've said my fair share.
We're headed back to the ranch.